Good morning, dear students. Today we will have combined classes based on fields and fences and long and short. See that whenever this particular video is published in the school website, you will just write down the questions, write down proper statements, do the calculations, and then 1 or 2 days later you send them for checking. Now there are 7 questions in all based on the two topics fields and fences, long and short. Now what you need to do? You need to solve them. Now question number 1. In an examination there were 39,793 candidates, out of which 19,437 were male and the rest were female. Find the number of female candidates and also mention whether there were more male or female candidates. Now it means that this sum has two parts. The first part where you need to subtract the number of male candidates from total number of candidates to find out the number of female candidates, and then you need to compare whether there were more male or female candidates. So in this manner, solving both the parts, you have to answer. Coming to question number 2, in a field of length 17 meter and breadth 15 meters. So you have an idea that this is a rectangular field. A fencing with metal wire is to be made. You know that fencing means perimeter. Now if the number of winds of metal wire to be made is 3, then find the total length of metal wire needed. This means that first of all you need to find out the perimeter of the rectangular field, then you have to multiply it by a factor of 3 as 3 winds of metal wire is to be made. Winding means just like surrounding of fencing. So for fencing the particular field 3 winds of metal wire is needed, which that means 3 times the perimeter of the rectangular field, that length of metal wire is required. Now we come to question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangle whose perimeter is 96 cm and its length is 14 cm. Also find the area of the rectangle. Now you already know that if the perimeter of a rectangle is given and suppose any one of the dimension, it may be the length or breadth, is provided to you, and how to find out the other dimension. After finding out the breadth, the length is already supplied, you can easily calculate the area of the rectangle. Now coming to question number 4. Chhajju Halwai made 105 kalakans, 90 burfis and 75 laddus in the morning of 22nd January 2020. So in the morning he made such numbers of 3 different types of sweets. If there were 23 kalakans, 25 burfis and 37 laddus left at the end of the day, find how many sweets of each type were sold in the day. So what you need to do, this is also a subtraction for separately for the kalakans, for the burfis and laddus you have to make and find out how many sweets of each type were sold in that day. So you can do this thing very easily. Now coming to question number 5, find the area and perimeter of the following rectangles. Length is equals to 16 cm, breadth is equals to 9 cm. Second one, length is equals to 15 meter, breadth is equals to 13 meter. Now we come to the next board. Mr. Soni makes 3 rounds of a square park in a day. The measure of the side of the square park is 13 meter. Find the total distance covered in a day and the total distance covered in a week. So I think you got the idea that you have to find out the perimeter of the square park. So and multiply it by the number of rounds Mr. Soni makes to find out the total distance covered in a day. Then similarly multiply it with the factor of 7 to find out the total distance covered in a week. Coming to question number 7. This is the last question of this video. So what you need to do and how you need to solve it, it would be explained. There were 37 pairs of sneakers. You know that the white shoes, campus shoes or the sports shoes are called sometimes sneakers. 26 pairs of boots and 19 pairs of sandals in a shoe selling store in the beginning of November 2020. So these were the number of pairs of sneakers, pairs of boots and pairs of sandals in the shoe selling store in the beginning of November 2020. In the end of November 2020, there were 21 pairs of sneakers, 15 pairs of boots, and 7 pairs of sandals left in the store. So, as you can see that from 37, 21 were left, from 26, 15 were left, from 19, 7 were left. So, if you subtract them, then you will get the number of pairs of each type of shoes were sold in the month of November 2020. So, you need to find how many of each type were sold in the month of November 2020. Just compare these two values, 37 pairs and 21 pairs of sneakers, 26 pairs and 15 pairs of boots, and 19 pairs of sandals and 7 pairs of sandals. So you will find out how many of each were sold. Thank you, students. Thank you.